Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. As I say, I don't know how long the daily is going to go on for. I'm going to play it by ear at the moment. People tell me not to do it, not to stop it, but you know, it's got to stop at some point. It's a nice sunny day today. It's really hot. Right, so I'm going to come round and have a look at this crest going up. What side is the crest going up? This side. Yeah, that's the start of it going on now. Okay, so where's the rest of it? Yeah, it's going to take a while to get up this crest. Yeah, it's not all going to go up while I'm here, so that's the start of it anyway. I don't know if the rest of the lads got that yesterday or if that's gone on today. Okay. Come round and have a look at where this is getting filled in. That's filled in now, doesn't it? Yeah, that's all filled in now. Looking good. So they start putting the cladding on there now. I want to say congratulations to Liam Shimon as well. If you didn't see the live yesterday, which is a complete disaster. It's the very first time I've done a live, so I apologise for the rubbishness of it. I didn't know how to end the stream. Well, I did, but the screen locked on my phone because the gimbal had malfunctioned on my phone, which made the screen lock for YouTube. So I couldn't end the stream. So I'm just staring at the camera and looking at my feet. I had to just shut the whole phone down in the end, just to get it off. Oh, let's have a look at the back here. Yeah, so congratulations to Liam Shimon, sorry for winning the raffle. Thank you everyone who took part. We raised just under £500 towards grassroots football, so that's an amazing amount of money. Okay, and Liam, you still haven't been in touch, by the way, so if you can get in touch with me so I can get this to you, I can drop it off to you. I've looked at your address and you're not far away from where I live, so yeah, that'd be great if you can get in touch and I will get that sorted for you. Right, so that's come out there. A lot of people guessed at what my next project's going to be as well. You know, I did give a pretty good clue, like. So what it's going to be, where you can take a piece of the history home. Yeah, so I'm going to try and go and get that done this week. Okay. So it's just that section at the back there's come out, and this here, and this here to come out as well, and that'll be the whole old roof gone then. Oh, that's the next piece coming out, is it? I take it. Is that cut and ready to lift? I'll just hang around here a second. In fact, I'll come back to it in a minute. I don't like staying at one place for too long. really clear down here now. It's oh, not broken up. What's this here? What are these guys? Anyone know? You got the pitch. Okay. Yeah, people are picking up on me saying okay all the time. It's fine. It's just a little mannerism. I think I've said it all my life. Okay. Oh, I'm there. Cutting. It's not there. What's going on there? Yeah, anyway, about the dailies, people saying that don't want to carry on doing the dailies, which, you know, if everyone wants it, I'll do it. I just don't want it to get stale and boring for everyone. So, I'll tell you what, I'll do it, and if the views drop, I'll just stop doing it, because I know then people are not interested then, and it's only the odd couple that want it doing. Okay. Right. So you've got that connected there. But it can't be lifted yet because they're standing on it. Health and safety will be all over them if they took a ride on it. I'll look on the front here, what's going on there. That'll be the tidying up the cladding at the front there. Put your pants up, mate. I'll zoom out. He's having a moment. What are these two? Oh wow, look at all the solar panels there, loads. I just thought it was going to be the odd one. Just tons of them. I don't know, you zoom out as such. It's a lot, that. Where are we up to on this? I'm not going to hang around on it too long, guys. Yeah, that don't look as though it's going to be lifted anytime soon. Had the crane lifting up to take the strain, is it? On the chains. Okay. Okay, it might be going now, I don't know. See, the demolition guys meant to be handing this back over today. I don't think they're finished, are they? Will they be finished by the end of the day to hand over? Right, no, I'm not going to hang around on these too long. As you know, I don't like my videos going on forever. One skip nearly full, one skip ready to be filled. There's not a lot of scrap. That's the truss section broken up. Okay, right. What's this guy doing on the cherry picker here? Where's that even going to? There's nowhere for it to go. Right, so I'm going to have one last look over here. No, don't change me slackened again. Okay, it's on the rise again, but it's obviously not ready to go yet. Let's get one last look around of the crest. Yeah, and it doesn't look so there's going to be any imminent movements on that either. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'm going to have a good look around. You know what? No, let me have a quick scan around the outside here. See what these look on this cherry picker. Scissor lift. Well, they've just been doing something and come down. Okay. So the scaffolding should be ready for come down soon, this. That's all pretty much done round there. Have a look at the cladding. I'm trying to get to the bottom of why that really skinny one there is there. Is that even going to be a window? Looking at this side it looks though it is, but it's just too skinny. There's going to be a window in it, but why is it so skinny? Anyone know the reason behind this? Let me know if you do. Everyone's questioning it. Right everyone, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Subscribers have slowed down a bit, which I expected it to. But yeah, if you like it, please subscribe. If you think you're subscribed, just have a check and make sure you are subscribed, because some people have thought you were subscribed and they weren't. And likes and comments are always helpful. But apart from that, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.